If you're wondering how to embed Outgrow in ClickFunnels, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to get these two powerful tools working together, and I'll explain how you can leverage them to increase conversions, generate leads, and make your sales funnels even more effective. Stick around, because I'll also share a special deal you can take advantage of if you're new to Outgrow, so make sure you watch until the end. Outgrow is a dynamic platform that allows you to create interactive content like quizzes, calculators, assessments, and more, all designed to engage your visitors and guide them down a specific funnel path. When combined with ClickFunnels, one of the most popular funnel builders out there, you get a supercharged lead generation system. This integration helps you gather more information about your leads while offering them valuable, interactive content. To get started with embedding Outgrow in ClickFunnels, the first thing you'll need is an Outgrow account. Once you've set up your Outgrow account, create the interactive content you want to use. For example, a quiz, a survey, or a product recommendation tool. Once it's ready, Outgrow will give you an embed code, and this is where the fun begins. Now, let's head over to ClickFunnels. Open the funnel page where you want to add the Outgrow content. ClickFunnels makes it easy to add custom HTML elements, so you won't need any coding skills. Find the section where you want the Outgrow content to appear and choose to add an HTML JavaScript element. Paste the embed code that you got from Outgrow into this element and click Save. Just like that, you've successfully embedded your Outgrow content into your ClickFunnels page. When someone visits your page, they'll see the interactive content you've created, and it will automatically capture data to help guide them through your funnel. One thing to keep in mind when using Outgrow with ClickFunnels is that the content you embed can help boost user engagement. People love interactive content, and it's a great way to keep them on your page longer. The more engaged they are, the more likely they are to convert, whether that means filling out a form, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase. If you're new to Outgrow, you can try it completely free by clicking the link in the description below. We've partnered with Outgrow to offer exclusive bonuses when you sign up, so don't miss out. The free trial will allow you to explore the features and see how it can work with your ClickFunnels setup to create more personalized experiences for your leads. So, now you know how to embed Outgrow in ClickFunnels. This integration will help you make the most out of both platforms and create high-converting interactive funnels. Remember, use the link below to get access to that exclusive free trial and take your marketing to the next level. Thanks for watching.